So you want to grab a big bowl of fresh snow. And then you're going to come inside and you're going to mix your sugar and your vanilla in your milk. Stir until your sugar is dissolved. Then pour your milk mixture into your snow. And you're going to stir for anywhere between 1 to 3 minutes. It depends on how wet your snow is. And you're just going to stir until it turns into ice cream. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, on page 472. You can take a picture right now, or the link is in the description below at livingonadime.com. So that's it. Simple snow ice cream.
That's really good.
I think I could eat this all day.
You can eat it all day?
So good.
Especially vanilla.
Especially chocolate. Disclaimer, yellow snow does not mean that it's lemon flavored.